New Zealand, the home of sustainable living, and the home of Hunza outdoor lighting. At Hunza, we take sustainability seriously, and this video highlights why we are a world leader in the manufacture and supply of sustainable outdoor lighting. Hunza specializes in using high-precision CNC machining technology to engineer the metal components for our fixtures. This provides a perfect fit for all the parts and combines with heavy-duty gaskets and seals to ensure that Hunza fixtures are fully waterproof in any conditions. We insist on the purest solid copper and stainless steel materials, which offer the highest level of durability without the need for lots of toxic surface treatments. Our aluminium products are engineered from low copper type 6061 alloy extrusions, so they last longer without deterioration. As a manufacturing process, CNC machining has a lower impact on the environment than many other systems, and all waste material is fully recycled. We hand assemble all our luminaires, and this further minimizes the use of unnecessary resources. Hunza fixtures are modular in design and can be easily disassembled and reassembled in the field, so all components can be upgraded when necessary, ensuring that Hunza fixtures will last a lifetime without the need for constant replacement. Our pure LED light engines are also modular and upgradable at any time. We marry leading-edge LED chip technology from suppliers such as Cree with our own custom heatsink designs to provide the very best in light output, energy efficiency, and chip longevity. When you combine Hunza durability with our leading-edge LED technology, you're assured of significant energy savings, a considerable reduction in maintenance requirements, and minimal wastage in resources and materials. All Hunza fixtures are designed and engineered in New Zealand to last a lifetime. Be sure to specify Hunza fixtures on your next project.